Gilden Co is a furniture and home decor store, but it's more than a transactional place. Everything we bring into the store, we have brought in with intention. We carry a curated mix of furniture and home decor for the home, from upholstered pieces, antique and new furniture, vintage and new rugs, artwork, antique French mirrors. We feel it's about the layers that make a space, from atmospheric lighting to throw pillows and blankets to a comfortable chair. It's all those textures that make a home feel like a home and comfortable. What keeps me going is the challenge of always finding the things that I think are great to live with. Gilden Co has definitely grown in the last decade plus. It's grown with me as I find new suppliers, new sources. I still have a lot of the same original suppliers and sources that I did when I opened. It's just gotten better. It is really exciting to see what I can find. It's definitely just a curated mix that continues to evolve, and I know it will always evolve.